Well, yeah, we're back, but it's not the same engine. This is number two. Um, Number one is in a box going out tomorrow, and this one, in tuning and testing this engine, I found a better way to wire up some things, so I made a change. That was cool. Unfortunately, I had to open up number one and make that change there, but that's okay. We got it done quickly. Tested it and back together. I don't know if I made a video or not, but it's running quite well. This one still needs the wire, tidied up and all. I'm still kind of going through all of the stuff, but it has a good fan, it has a good chuff, has a good smoke. I don't know if you can see it. Everything behind it is white, so it's not very fair, is it? But at any rate, there we are. It's very smooth, very, very smooth. And if you come into the station and you're stopping, you're supposed to get oh, I know what I did. I cut it down too much. I've got to find a way of cutting that power down on that at the idle. All right, at any rate, so it's there. I got to try to find a way to not make it so nutty. I'm thinking a capacitor, but I still don't have it yet. In any case, that's that. That's that again. There's forward, neutral, reverse, neutral, and forward. I think my transformer is really hot today. I've been running the heck out of it. So we're running around, looks like 6 volts at the heater. I just put a load of smoke oil in. Oh, my little sensor popped out. I don't have it fitted in exactly. I'm testing the arrangement of it. I want to make sure I had a good trigger signal. You can rotate it, but you can't just rotate it because it's glass. You have to bend the wire a certain nice way, and then it will stay, and it's happier. Okay, so I'm going to have to work on that. Try not to break it. But chuff at speed, right? Okay. Need the fan. The fan's on. Yes, fan is on. It's just not encased. And once it's encased, that helps cool things down. I'm out of the small. I might have to make some. I got some taller ones. I might have to cut them down. This guy likes heat sinks, and this guy likes a heat sink. Oh, look, I put one on him. Oh, I know where I might have a stash of those little ones now that I know where I use them. But anyway, that I'm going to do heat sinks, tidy up the wiring, and assemble this thing and tidy this wiring up, tape it down, get it going. Got a headlight for it, I think. I've got a kit for the smoke. I'm going to send that to him so he can do some work. And I think we're there. I'm going to do I could do a road test. What time is it? 5 o'clock. Well, may need a little more time. I may have to do the wiring, fix it up stuff before I do a road test, but that'll be tomorrow for sure. It's supposed to be a cool day. Not a cool day, a non-rain, non-cloud day, meaning I might get to drive my car to take Margaret out, which I enjoy that. So I think number 2 is down to the nubs here. I think it's going to be done this weekend, and I will be then turn my attention to the final 3 Amigo, unit number 3, which is as good a condition as the other 2, frankly, so that should not. I mean, I'm going to make the updates that I've made. I mean, he started a lot of the updates with the trucks and whatnot, but this little wiring trick I just did was a big help, so I'm going to get that to him, put that on there, and verify all the settings are now where they should be. All right, that's going to call it. Just a few minutes showing you engine, It will fly. Fly. And it will chuff and pull. It should be torquey. Might take a few amps, but it should be torquey. Alright, gang. That's it for the day. Check in tomorrow. Hopefully late afternoon, probably. That's usually when I do, about 5-ish. Okay, gang. Later.